Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Time to wrap up this series and get some finish on this and get it installed. Those that have followed me for a while know this is one of my favorite finishes, especially on woods like this. So I start with armor seal, and then I let that completely cure out, and then I follow it up with, several coats of the waterborne general finishes poly. The oil-based and the armor seal really just pops the grain and gets everything looking great, and then I get all the protection I need out of the water-based. So I just like that finish. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels, and that's the way I've done the other furniture. So that's what we're going to stick with. To start with today, though, I need to spend a couple hours getting this shop cleaned up and getting the dust out. Milling this huge desktop created a lot of dust in here, so I'm going to kick open the big door and blow it out and then turn on my air filters and get as much dust out of here as I can before finish. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. Okay, so like I said, I like to use General Finishes Armor Seal as the first coat. It's just a wipe on poly, but it really makes the grain pop. So I sprayed all that finish off camera. It's too much havoc on the equipment in here, so I didn't do it. I went ahead and sprayed finish, turned on my air cleaners, and got out of here for a while and let it cure. It's all in the room, and I'll show you that in a minute. But to finish this one up, we actually have to make the file hangers for the file drawers. Now, I just went to the big box store and found some 1/16 inch aluminum, 1.5 inches wide. I think they come in 4-foot lengths, and it wasn't more than $3 or $4. And I cut it into lengths to fit the drawer, and then painted it black. As well, I painted the screw heads black. I have a scale or a square set for 1/8 of an inch, and that's how far I want it to stick above the drawer, is just 1/8 of an inch. And then pilot drill and put the screws in on each side. And that's all there is to it. These drawers in this size per the plans will fit files perfectly. So let me get these put in, and I'll take you into the office and show you the finished desk. All right, guys, well, there it is in its final home. I couldn't be happier with it. I've got to use it for a couple of days now, and it absolutely does everything that I want it to do. I apologize for the lighting. I'm not really set up for remote video. So here you can see the file drawer that we put in, and I just put some empty file folders in here to see, but that all worked out really well. And I don't know what we're going to do on the top one yet, if I'm going to add those file folders or not. We'll just wait and see what we have to relocate and see what I actually need. I may actually design a sliding tray in here, I'm not sure. So, that's my office setup. I hope you guys enjoyed the series, got something out of it. Hit my forums if you have questions, I'm happy to answer them. Send me an email, my email is in the show notes. I'm happy to answer those as well. And until next time, guys, take care.